When it comes to selecting the right fastener, it's essential to know a few key measurements. Most fasteners can be identified by three primary dimensions: diameter, thread count, and length. Diameter is measured across the outer threads. A caliper, or a dedicated thread gauge, makes it easy to get an accurate measurement. Next, we have thread count, TPI for US bolts, and thread pitch for metric bolts. TPI, or threads per inch, indicates how many threads fit into 1 inch of length. Thread pitch measures the distance between threads on a metric fastener. A thread gauge simplifies both measurements. Finally, when it comes to length, measure from where the head meets the material down to the end of the threads. For hex bolts, start just under the head. For flathead screws, include the entire head. As for oval head machine screws, measure them like flatheads, just leave out the domed portion. By knowing these three measurements, diameter, thread count or pitch, and length, you'll have the information you need to choose the right fastener for your project. Bolt Depot, fastener shopping made easy.